Hello, mother father. I'm M.Rafli. I'm from Social One. Hello, mother father. I'm Rafli. I'm from Social One. I want to tell you about how to make a toothpaste. Check it out, mother father.
This is the ingredients: baking soda, food coloring, salt, homie, salt. How to make it, dude? Watch. Put the baking soda into the bowl. After that, put enough salt into the bowl, homie. If you want to taste salty, when you brush your teeth, just add more salt, dude. Just add more salt. Next, stir the two ingredients. After that, add the 3 drops of food coloring. Like this, homie. 1, 2. The last thing is put some water to the bowl. Like this. And stir until it thickens. Cover that bowl with plastic, dude. Before that, say Bismillah so that devil cannot open it. And wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open it. Bah! The toothpaste can be used for right now. Feels good. You wanna test?
Okay guys, I wanna try this omelet toothpaste. This will be disgusting, dude.
Minum bang.
Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. See you next time, motherfucker.
Udah,